Welcome to InvestWise, a simplifying Pakistan stock exchange for you. Let's move towards today's episode.
All right, let's break down Ghandara Automobiles' latest quarterly results. It's a pretty interesting story for investors. So this first quarter is a bit of a puzzle. We've got great profits, but also a few red flags. The big headline number, a consolidated EPS of 29.33 rupees. Now that's a number that gets your attention. But that number tells two very different tales. Let's dig into the profit performance first.
First up, the year-on-year growth is just phenomenal. EPS shot up by a massive 178%.
This really shows the momentum from key products, driving a strong recovery and grabbing a ton of market share. So what's the other side of the story? Let's take a look. Well, if you compare it to last quarter, earnings actually dipped by about 8%, a bit of a slowdown.
This drop kind of suggests things are getting back to normal after a huge year-end sales push last quarter.
Okay, now for the biggest question mark in these results, the cash flow. The company reported a huge negative operating cash flow, nearly 6.4 billion rupees. Wow! So why was so much cash burned when profits were so high? Let's figure this puzzle out. The answer really comes down to two big strategic moves they made during the quarter. First, they paid down almost 10 billion in liabilities. Then, they invested nearly 3 billion in inventory. See, the negative cash flow wasn't a problem. It was a strategic move to prep for future demand. So looking ahead, how is the company setting itself up for future growth? It's pretty smart. They just launched the Jack T9 Frizen. It's a new, more affordable 4x2 version of their popular T9 pickup. This new model is all about reaching a broader market, thanks to its lower price point. And this move is a big deal because competition in the auto sector is really starting to heat up. So the big question is, can this new strategy keep that incredible momentum going? We'll have to see.
We'd love to hear your comments and suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our InvestWise videos.